So in this quick video, I'm going to just show you the best website where you can sell your mobile apps on the internet. A lot of people have mobile apps, but they don't know that they can actually sell it for a higher profit. Stick around, which I'm going to show you in a jiffy. By the way, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith Amole. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, digital marketing, and web design. If these are things you love, consider subscribing to my channel. You just want to come to your browser and type faithamole.com/flipper. So as soon as it loads, you want to go over this particular website. Flipper is not the only website for selling mobile apps on the internet. No, there are others, but it is the best. It is a top marketplace where people sell their digital assets, not only mobile apps. You can sell a whole lot of things, both your social media handles and all of that. You can sell them on this particular website. So they are ranking #1 because they have track record of successful transactions on this particular platform. You just want to come here and then you sign up as a complete beginner. If you want to sell, you can come here and toggle this on to a buyer. If you want to toggle this on as a seller, you can become a seller. Then you click on sell and create an account as a first-time seller. You just want to list your website that you want to sell or your mobile app you want to sell. So but then I will log into my account and show you exactly. This is my account. So if you look at it, this is my account, this is my dashboard. So I want to quickly show you the number of listings here already. Let's type mobile app. Let's see what is going on here at Flipper. I click on mobile app. Let's see if there are mobile apps that are listed here already. If you look at here, you can see that a whole lot of apps have been uploaded here. They have been listed on Flipper already. Can you see this one? iOS app. This is the type iOS. This is the industry is internet. This is in-app sales. The monetization is in-app sales. You can see the amount they make per month. They make $40,260 per month. This is what the app makes for them, and it is less than 1 year. They want to sell it. This one is an Android app, hobbies and games, and you can see the Android type, hobbies and games, monetization order. Then the age is 6 years. The net profit is $9,027 per month. This one is a SaaS app. This one is SaaS. So if you want to filter here, you can actually filter. If you don't want the ones that make money, you can say no. You can just uncheck yes, and then it will show you the ones that are not making money. Can you see? These ones are not making money per month. This is an app. This is an app. It is not making money because I already unchecked the ones that have monetization. So you can also go further to uncheck all of this. You see, these are iOS app. You can decide to say I want only Android apps. It will show you only Android apps here. So the left hand side here is for you to filter a lot of things you want to do here. So even if you want to sell a Chrome extension, you can do that here. There is a space for you here. If 5,000 people are already selling on Flipper, it simply means that this platform is genuine. It is a legit one, and they have an escrow service that can actually secure your money from the buyer or from the seller. You don't have to worry about security of your money. It is secured already. It's there for you to, and you don't have to bring traffic here. You list it here. Flipper helps you to sell it. They advertise your listing. You only pay a fee when transaction is made. You don't pay before. Once your mobile app is purchased, that is when you will be able to pay a fee of about $2. So you can quickly go down to the last part to see the fee, the services they offer, the legal fees and all of that. You can open here and read more about that. This is a place you can sell a whole lot of digital assets, especially your mobile apps. There are businesses that are selling their apps here, and you can actually sell your apps. And if this is something you love, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to continue, just click on sell, and then their free evaluation tool will help you evaluate your mobile app to know what it is worth, what you can make from it, listing it here. That is absolutely amazing. So just click on sell. For instance, you will list the app here and then follow the process. It is a very simple process to follow. Let's say my app is Flip.com again. So you just click on it. So just press the URL. You describe the type of app you have or the type of asset you have. Let's look at mobile app, for instance. Let me click on mobile app. Then you can choose, is it Android or iOS? Is Android. I click on Android. Then you can enter the URL to start selling. Once you enter it, and then you will be able to do other things, your listing will go live. As soon as your listing goes live, you lie down and sleep and wait for Flippa to complete the sales for you. So if you love this video, or you like this, or you want to sell, I will leave the link to Flippa in the description of this video. Just click on it and start selling your mobile app. See you in my next video.